Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart leak detectors that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Stechro smart water leak detectors for home Wi-Fi. This system includes 4 water sensors and a Wi-Fi gateway compatible with the Tuya app, allowing for real-time notifications and custom sensor naming. Its standout feature is its robust 120 dB alarm, which ensures you'll never miss a leak, whether it's in your basement, sink, or laundry area. The sensors are equipped with bottom flood probes and top drip sensors for comprehensive coverage. Additionally, the IP66 waterproof design and low-power sensors make it highly durable and ideal for high-humidity areas. Battery life is impressive, lasting up to 3 years, with low battery reminders included. In terms of design and build quality, the sensors are compact and lightweight, making them easy to place in tight spaces. The Tuya app is feature-rich, allowing for customization with 32 ringtones and push notifications. However, SMS, email, and phone alerts require a subscription fee, which might deter budget-conscious buyers. Performance-wise, the system works seamlessly with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but lacks compatibility with 5 GHz networks. While the 120 dB alarm is highly effective, some users might find it overly loud for certain scenarios. Overall, this product is ideal for homeowners who want a reliable, app-connected system with high sensitivity. Its pros include robust alarm features, long battery life, and waterproof construction. But the cons are the subscription fees for certain notification types and lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi compatibility. And number 4, we have the Ruicoring Wi-Fi Water Leak Detectors 5-pack. This set includes 5 sensors and 1 Wi-Fi hub, making it ideal for larger homes or areas with multiple high-risk zones. The sensors are equipped with dual sensor technology to detect both dripping and pooling water. They feature a 120 dB buzzer with adjustable volume levels and a 90 dB gateway alert with flashing lights for added visibility. Notifications are sent through the Tuya Smart app, ensuring that you're always informed of potential leaks. One notable feature is the scheduling function, allowing you to arm or disarm the sensors automatically. Design-wise, the sensors are compact and versatile, with IP66 waterproof protection for durability in wet environments. The system operates solely on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is reliable but may not suit users with 5 GHz networks. The included AAA batteries offer long-lasting power, and the low battery alert ensures you'll never be caught off guard. Performance is solid, with the sensors responding quickly to leaks, though there is a slight delay in notifications when operating at maximum range. This product is perfect for homeowners with large spaces to monitor, offering excellent coverage and customizable alerts. Its main strengths are the dual sensor design, loud alarms, and user-friendly app integration. However, it falls short with its lack of 5 GHz compatibility and occasional delays in notifications at extended distances. Taking a third spot is the Moen Flo Smart Water Leak Detector. This 3-pack set is designed for whole home protection, with constant monitoring to detect leaks and potential water damage. It connects seamlessly to the Moen Smart Water Network app, providing real-time notifications to your smartphone. Additionally, the included remote sensing disc with a 48-inch extension cable makes it ideal for tight spaces like under appliances or in corners. These detectors can also integrate with the Flo Smart Water Monitor and Shutoff, sold separately, for advanced leak prevention. The build quality reflects Moen's reputation for durability and reliability. The detectors are compact and easy to install, with a sleek white finish that blends into most interior settings. However, they require 3 CR123A batteries, which aren't included, an inconvenience for some buyers. Performance-wise, the sensors do a great job of detecting leaks, but the app can occasionally lag, and some users have reported inconsistent notifications. With a 3.6-star average rating, the Moen detectors are solid but fall short of their premium price tag. This product is ideal for those who want dependable sensors with app connectivity and advanced integration options, while its strengths lie in its effective detection and added extension cable. Its drawbacks include battery requirements and occasional app issues. Coming in at number 2 is the YoLink Smart Home Starter Kit. This 4-sensor kit boasts a robust 105 decibel audio alarm and a hub that utilizes LoRa technology for an industry-leading range of up to 1/4 mile in open areas. The sensors are highly versatile, offering freeze warnings and water leak detection for a wide variety of applications, from sump pumps to dishwashers. The system sends SMS, email, and push notifications, ensuring you're alerted in real time. Integration with Alexa and IFTTT allows for seamless smart home compatibility, making it an ideal choice for tech-savvy users. The design is rugged and waterproof, with an IP66 rating, ensuring durability in challenging environments. The battery life is exceptional, lasting over 5 years with the included AAA batteries. Installation is straightforward, with the hub offering both Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity. The only downside is the subscription model for additional SMS alerts, which might not appeal to everyone. Performance is top-notch, with quick detection and reliable notifications. The long-range capability is particularly impressive, making it suitable for basements, sheds, and other remote areas. This system is perfect for homeowners looking for advanced functionality and exceptional coverage. Its pros include long-range LoRa technology, freeze warning capability, and smart home integration, while its cons are the subscription fees and potentially steep learning curve for non-tech users. Finally, at number 1 is the Govee Wi-Fi water leak detector. This 3-pack system is a standout for its affordability and excellent performance. The sensors connect to a powerful Wi-Fi gateway, supporting up to 10 sensors for comprehensive coverage. With real-time email, app, and sound notifications, the Govee detectors ensure you're always informed. The 100 dB adjustable alarm is loud enough for basements, but can be muted for quieter environments. Additionally, the sensors feature dual probes for drip and leak detection, and you can name each sensor via the app to quickly pinpoint the source of a leak. The design is compact and user-friendly, with a tabletop mount option that simplifies installation. The system uses AAA batteries, which are included, and offers reliable connectivity on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Performance is impressive, with fast detection and minimal false alarms. However, the app interface could use some refinement, as it feels slightly dated compared to competitors. With a customer rating of 4.2 stars, the Govee detectors offer excellent value for their price and functionality. This product is perfect for homeowners seeking reliable leak detection on a budget. Its strengths include affordability, robust alarm features, and multi-sensor compatibility, while its minor drawbacks include the app interface and lack of advanced features like freeze warnings. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.